Hi there, welcome back to Django tutorial. This is 10th tutorial in the series. In the last video, we have learned how we can write dynamic views by using the dynamic path, and of course by using some Python features like dictionary and so on. For example, we want to add a new quiz here. We would just have to add new entry in this dictionary, and there is no need to change anything about the code down there because it's pull all the information automatically from the dictionary. Well, it's a redirect URL. I have hard coded because I need to redirect the quiz and the quiz name if we enter something like 1, 2, 3 and so on. There is problem with this quiz path with redirect to the path start is hard coding in our project URL config. Here, for any request starting with quiz, we will include quiz.url. Now what if I just change this to quizzes? I do not make any change in the quiz application. Let's save and have a look into the browser. Localhost 8000 and first it's break as expected. Let me check with ES and it's work because we have updated our URL. Now let's check for the one. It's failed because I have hard coded this URL. To avoid this problem, I'm going to make the change in b.py. Here I want to add one more thing. In this small app, it's not a big problem. But when a group of developers are working on this same project, then it's make a big problem. For this, first of all, we simply add a third argument here with a name of your choice. In my case, is quiz challenge. Now that URL has a name, we can use that name to construct path URL pointing at registered URL. Here I am going to redirect instead of hard coding to URL like this by using another utility function Django exposed to us. Now that's a function we need to import from Django URL. It is the reverse function. Import reverse. Here I am going to add a new variable redirect underscore path reverse, and first argument is quiz challenge. This name is exactly same as the name given here. This reverse function allow us to create path by referring to the name of these path. We call reverse and we then start with the name of our URL. And second argument will be args, which is redirect quiz. Now in the HTTP response redirect, I will just pass the redirect path. The greatest benefit of doing this is that now we can make any change in the path without any problem. We can modify the path here also until we do not update the name, that we do not do frequently. Now let's save everything and have a look into the browser. So I'm going to try for the quizzes. It's work. Let me enter one. For the one, it's also work. It's redirect successfully. For better understanding, I am going to update the URL as the previous one. Save and let me check. It's failed as expected. Let me remove the ES and it's work. Again for 1, it's working fine. And for the unhindered quiz, it's returned the error. Quiz not found. So that reverse function is a super important function. And now we got truly dynamic view here, which can deal with any quiz and which really work in a way that require minimum input from us as a developer, and where we can make changes without having to change dozens of places in our code base. This is all about this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.